Miss Melinda, and I am with the Boys and Girls Club of Bar, and today what we're going to be working on is a healthy snack. Now I know a lot of us like to eat junk food, but there are times where it is really important for us to eat something healthy. So we have some melon here, pineapple, watermelon, some grapes, an orange, and some slices of banana. Now, before you do get started, it's very, very important that all of your area, you clean it before you even get started. And it is very important for you to wash your hands. So, what we're going to be making is a fruit kebab. Now, we are going to be using a skewer and all of these fruits here. Okay, so since we are using this skewer, make sure that you use safety. Make sure you're very careful with this. Also with the fruit, make sure you have an adult with you to help you pre-cut it already, so that way you're able to go ahead and stick the fruit onto the skewer. Now it is your creativity, however you want to do the pattern of the fruit. If you just want one fruit kebab of just watermelon or pineapple or just two fruits, it is totally up to you. Today I am going to be using multiple fruits because I do love all types of fruits. So I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and start with a melon. Now be careful when you're putting it in. Then I'm going to put a pineapple. Then I'm going to put a watermelon, and I'm going to put a banana, a slice of banana. Also, be sure that when you're using your orange, you get them all singled out, so that way you're able to put it into the skewer, and the grapes. Now this is a fun activity, and it's also a really yummy activity, something that you can create and you can eat. Now, if you see that you have a lot more space, you can go ahead and add more pieces of fruit. And this would be a great snack after you've played outside. Maybe you played basketball, or you're doing sidewalk chalk art. It is up to you, however you want to use it, or if you just want to eat something sweet. Now, fruit is really good for you, and it tastes really good. So here's your fruit kebab, and I hope you all enjoy it. Make sure that you take a picture or submit a video onto our Facebook or Instagram. Thank you. Have a great day.